So you want to make some meth, huh? Well, let me show you how it's done. So first of all, you need to buy some stuff. You want to buy everything under the meth cook category. So let's prepare to cook the meth. So first, you need to put the lab torch inside the laboratory, and then you need the glassware. Then you do the same. After that, we need some ingredients. So you need muriatic acid. It does not really matter what order you put this in. And we need liquid cyanide. And then last, we need water. So now that we've done that, we can press start. Now that it's cooking, let's prepare the red phobos. Now that it's done cooking, we just put the red phobos, and since I only cooked 2 crystalline cyanide, I'm just gonna put 2 red phobos. So now we need to put the hazmat suit on to start the cooking process. So if you want to take off the hazmat suit, just press F3 and then click this icon, the hazmat icon. So let's start cooking. So you repeat the same action with the last time you cooked, and now it's cooking the meth. Now we're done cooking the meth. So now we need to cool it down. And that's this thermo container. Looks like I already did this, so here's the meth. And if you want to color it, you can color it. You need to press, you can customize it by pressing E on the color. I forgot to do that. But anyways, let's move on. So you can either fill up the meth batch and get 10 to sell, or 20. And you get more money, but it takes longer time. But anyways, let's go sell this meth. Okay, so let's sell it. And that's how you make meth.